I'm Jen Hearne, Head of Project at Hyperdrive Innovation. Along with my team, we're responsible for all project delivery. We have a number of strategic customers, so we manage that customer relationship. We take their requirements right the way through the R&D process, into supply chain, and right the way through to manufacture of products, ensuring we build the schedules, deliver them internally and to the customer requirement. There's quite a few really exciting elements to the job. We work with a number of different customers in a lot of different industries, and that helps and keeps every day very different. So there's new requirements, for every marketplace is slightly different legislation requirements, so that always keeps us on our toes. It's also really exciting to be at the forefront of this. We're working with a lot of early adopters, and so whilst the organisations we work with might be market leaders from maybe a diesel perspective, or they might already work in the utilities market, we are providing a brand new product and giving them that innovation to help them working with them to be that first to market for a clean air energy solution.